Marhaba Scarborough, marhaba Toronto, it's Hamza with you, and today I'm at Street Eats Market, which is right across the street from Scarborough Town Centre. We're gonna check it out together today. They have exciting programs all summer. One of them is Taste of the Middle East. Let's go.
يلا بينا يلا قاعد لوحدك كده سرحان الشيطان يوزك في سكة شمال يفضل يقولك العب يلا العب يلا ما تلعب يلا العب يلا العب يلا العب يلا عايز تكون صاحب مبدأ.
Guys, so Tuts is here and I'm so excited. Hello. I've been wanting to try them for a while. I think I'm gonna go with a sugo. Let's do a sugo sandwich.
Just one?
Just one.
يجي الشيطان يفضل يقولك اشرب يلا اشرب يلا ولع يلا.
You guys, look how cute their boxes are. So very tiny. It looks so good, so juicy. Very good. I like the sauce. What's the sauce?
Mustard mint.
Mustard mint.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so I'm about to try for the first time something called, it's a dessert, it's called sakalans. That's very Egyptian. It's sakalans.
اشرب يلا ولع يلا كده ولعتنا كده خربتنا حبة فوق حبة فوق حبة.
Bread fried, but inside of it is halawa and cream. It's really good. Amazing. Ibrahim, thank you so much. This was amazing. Thank you. Thank you, Tuts.